All right, folks. So here is the bed mat by TripleAliners. Look at this. It's sick. One thing that I really love about this mat is that it literally matches the grooves of the Tundra's bed. I apologize. This is the 2023 Toyota Tundra, and that's what this mat's for. This is what this particular mat is for. It is on a 5.5 foot bed length, and she fits like a glove, guys. So once you do get this, you're supposed to let it, flatten out for at least 24 hours. That's what I did, and you can easily remove it, clean it. It is a little dirty. I have been using it, testing it out, and I'm really happy with this. Again, shout out to TripleAliners. One thing I do love about this mat is that it's really slip resistant. That's one of the issues I've had, again, with my bed in general, of course. And this definitely helped it out. Having cooler back there, it does not slide. It stays where it needs to be, and I love it. Again, I do have it on my 2023 Toyota Tundra. It's a 5.5 foot or 5'7" bed length. As you can see back there, it goes up about an inch, 2 inches all around. Just protects everything. This is awesome. Yeah, like I said, this is TripleAliner. I will leave a link down below where you guys can find this. I believe you can get it on Amazon. Yeah, check them out. TripleAliners. All right, guys. Thanks for watching and checking out this mat. It's awesome. It's sick. I love it. Hope you guys can share the same experience with me. Yeah, we'll see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching.